Good morning, everyone. Today I will teach you again files, and in that particularly I'll teach you text file. Okay. In my previous class, I have told you how to create a text file. Now, rather I have told you only how to read a text file. Okay. First, what we have done, we have written some text in a notepad, and then we were reading those texts in our Python through our Python program. Okay. So today I will also some more function I will teach you. So for that I am again sharing the screen for you. The screen is shared and I am starting Python. Python ideally. File new. So this screen is visible to you. Python
Yes,
editor.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here again I'll open a file. So I'll write rf is equals to open. I will just see that my previous text e colon, I think send was their name, send.txt, and then read, which is optional. By default it is read mode only. Then I have written s is equals to rf dot read, and then print s. This much we have already completed. Close if you want, you can rf dot close. अब इससे आगे बढ़ेंगे. Run. So I'll show you the result first. Okay. I think the text one was named save. I should have opened the file. Okay, no problem. So this text has come, which is written in Notepad, is displayed on our Python editor, or you can say Python shell. Now, what is the use of the read function? It reads n bytes. So just pay attention here. Just a minute. I'll run it again. Okay, this screen has come. I was waiting for this screen only. Okay. So now see here, it is displaying all the text. Now if I'll give here, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll give only 5 here. That is the value of n, and I will execute this program and you see the output. What happens? Only send is displayed instead of complete file or all line of text. Only send is displayed because I have given here the n character, that is n byte, 5 bytes only. So if I'll give it as suppose 15 and I'll run this, so up to 15 bytes. Okay. So that way it will show. Clear hai? And if you will not give the parameter, that is parameter value n, then it will display all lines. This point is clear to you? The function read is very clear to you. Then I'll go to the next function. The next function is read line. Okay, Raghav, read line. So read line function, what is the use of read line? It reads one line at a time. I think I have given the definition. Sanidhya?
Yes, sir.
Definition of read line, and read lines already given, na?
No, sir. I think you just named them.
Only named. Okay, so you write first definition of read line. You write the definition read line. It reads a line of input. It reads a line of input. If n is specified, reads at most n bytes. If n is specified, reads at most n bytes. So what I am doing here, instead of, I'm just deleting, instead of read, I am using here read line, and then I'll print here S. Now check the previous output. Remember that first line is St. Paul Senior Secondary School is the co-ed school, or something like that. So now I'll run this program and see the effect of it. Something is wrong. What is the problem? Read line is not specified. Can you tell me what is the reason? The reason is the object is not mentioned here. RF dot read line.
RF dot read line.
Okay, run module. So I'll run and you see only one line is displayed here. The first line. Got it? Now if you want to read another line, again you write S is equals to, I will give you another method using looping also. Don't worry for that. Read line. So it will read another line. So see here the output. Okay. Wait for that. I have not used the print statement. So print S again. So what happens? It will display first St. Paul Senior Secondary School is, and then run by. Okay. That way you can read all the line. This is the one way, but you can also use loop. You can also use loop. So I am just first line I am reading and stopping this, and then what I am doing here, pay attention to this. While S not equals to double quotes or single quotes, you give blank. That means okay, when the file will reach to the end of file, that means there is no more character and it will stop execution while S not equals to double quotes. Okay, and then I'll write here print S, and then I'll write here S. Again I'll show you one thing here. You will just see the effect of it. Read line. Okay, it will not show any error, but what happens, it will show an infinite loop. Of course it will show an infinite loop. Let's see. Run module. Okay, so see it's displaying data again and again. So what is the reason behind it? The value of S is not changed, and the value of S is changed when we write S equals to RF dot read line. Assignment was not there, so that read line value was not going to S. That's why the condition was not checked and it was showing infinite loop. So now it will display all the three lines. Run. Okay, and you see here now, just see here some space is coming. Why it is coming? The reason is the line is terminated or end of a line. One special character is mentioned, that is \n, end of line. So if you don't want to give space, what you have to write it here, end equals to, that's it. So what happens, that extra space which is coming is automatically removed. Now see here, say check both the output. So in the previous output it was showing one space after every line, and in next example no space has come. Please ask me if you have any doubt.
सर अपन ने तो रीड लाइन के अंदर कोई आर्गुमेंट नहीं लिखा, तो फिर वो पूरा क्यों नहीं रीड कर रहा?
I will show you that also. Every line has \n character, but when you use read function now, it reads entire text, all the text, all lines together. But once you use a read line, so it goes till \n, that means \n is included after every line.
So in the loop it catches every next line.
Yes, every line when you use read line, \n is included. Okay, and what happens, \n is giving one space and print also giving one space. So that means cursor is coming down and a space is coming. Then the next line, and then next second line के लिए cursor नीचे आ रहा, but उससे पहले एक \n का space भी हो रहा है. तो एक मैंने space end equals to quotes करने के बाद what happens, that blank space is removed. Now next I will use, okay, here also in read line you can use number of characters 5. So the first line will have only 5 characters. The second line will have all characters. Okay, you can just check. What happens? Print s is equals to read line. Run हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ? Run module. What happens? Read line 5. It's not showing. Should show. Wait. Looping में कुछ है. Print s. Run. Okay. Okay. Now what happens after the looping? Acha, that loop was having till end of line. Okay, that means the loop is going for each line till space. That way it is going. So once you are giving a loop here, while s not equals to, okay, while s not equals to this. So what happens? If for the first line it is going till end of line. That is why it was showing. Okay, I will show here. Print s, and then s is equals to read line and print the loop में run it, run module. Okay, so let's see the result. Read is not defined. Okay, rf dot, run it again. Okay, so this end was the previous one, वो ऊपर वाला है, but after that space and everything is coming. That means for each line it is going to end of the line. Now next is read lines. Instead of that I will use read lines. Now see backslash n concept इसमें आपको साफ दिखेगा. Before going for the programming example, read lines, you just write reads all lines. Read lines, you write it, reads all lines and returns them in a list. Reads all lines and returns them in a list. Now see here the effect of this. I will simply write print s. Now before that एक एक चीज करके समझ ले. पहले सबसे पहले मैंने यूज किया था रीड. तो रीड में क्या हुआ था? It will read all the lines. Okay, but the text is displayed not in a list. rather normal text आपका display हुआ था. Second में क्या हुआ था? Read line, it will read one line. Okay, अब आपने while s not equals to space दिया था, that means it will go till end of line. Okay, though I was in the beginning giving 5 characters, but what happens, because of the loop it was going to the end of line. Then again second line was read and that line is also going to the end of line, that is quotes. No, once it will not find any character, the line, that means line is completed. Understood? After that I am using here read lines. So what read line does, it will display all the lines in the form of text, in the form of list. Now see the output. You will read lines will display all the lines in the form of list. Okay, now see the result here. Wait, इसको पहले बंद कर दें एक बार, बहुत सारी एरर. Now see here, run module. Okay, now see here, this square bracket means what? You know na, list. So the first line, pay attention, St. Paul Senior Secondary School is something \n. So what I was explaining you, \n by default आता है. अब मैंने आपको शो करके भी दिखा दिया. Second line run by \n and third line has 2 branches, something like that. And that was the end of the file. So \n यहाँ पे नहीं है. नेक्स्ट लाइन आता तो फिर से बैकस्लैशन यहाँ पे आ जाता। नेक्स्ट इसमें अगर मान लीजिए कि अब आपको इस आउटपुट को देखने के बाद कुछ मजा नहीं आया कि लिस्ट में आ रहा है, तो अब मुझे तो नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट प्रिंट करना है, तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, आप यहाँ पे लूप लगा दो जो आप नॉर्मली लिस्ट के साथ कहते हैं, फॉर आई इन एस, द नॉर्मल लूप यू यूज फॉर आई इन एस एंड प्रिंट इंस्टेड ऑफ एस यू राइट आई। अगर एस करेंगे तो इट केप्ट ऑन प्रिंटिंग एस, दैट मीन थ्री लाइन जो भी है। So instead of that, I will print I, and I will show you the output. Just see the result. Okay. So St. Paul Senior Secondary School, then run by, and this. ये output क्यों आ रहा है? ये भी because I have used here print s also. So अगर इसको remove कर देंगे तो ये वो वाला output नहीं आएगा. So just see the output. Run module. Okay. Again the space is coming, you know the reason, बैकस्लैशन। तो अब हम यहाँ पर कोट्स करने का मतलब है कि प्रिंट शुड डिस्प्ले इन वन लाइन, बट इट विल डिस्प्ले इन डिफरेंट लाइन्स टेक्स्ट। द रीजन इज आफ्टर प्रिंटिंग सेम line, backslash will take the line to the next line. Backslash stands for new line, end line. Run module. Oh, sorry. पहले इसको करेक्ट कर लें, end equals to, and then I'll write here run. Okay. Now see the output. So you have to be very clear when you are writing programs. Now I am giving you one program, very simple program. Please do it. So write a program to display only those lines, which starts with S or I, So very simple. You can use readline function. I'm giving you 1 minute to complete this, and after that I will make only those lines which starts with S and I. It's all depends on you, the logic which you are using. ओके और आप ये भी इसमें increase this part also display total number of lines, such lines, also display total number of such line. which starts with S and I. लिखना चाहो तो you can write. And run it. Close if you want to give, you can. And run the program. So 2 lines, one this line and one this line. Clear है?
सर इसमें पहले अपने को एस को अब पूरे को अपर केस या लोअर केस में भी तो कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए ना, मतलब इसमें तो आपने पूरा अपर केस में लिखा था तो इसमें
It's clearly written capital S and I. नहीं हो तो you give 4 options, small I and small s also, or you can convert that also, that depends on you. I don't want to change the texture of the line. Next it will display the small letters or something like that. So that's why I have used capital S and capital I. Question paper it will be very clearly mentioned. Okay?
यस सर.
Okay. Next question you write. Next question you write. Display all those lines. अब थोड़े से एक दो क्वेश्चन बुक में ले रहे हैं. पहले you write this. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, लिख लो. रीडिंग फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखो, रीडिंग फर्स्ट 30 बाइट्स एंड प्रिंट इट. कितना इजी है देखो, अभी मैं इससे बहुत एडवांस प्रोग्राम करूंगा. नेक्स्ट यू राइट रीडिंग अ फाइल्स इंटायर, तो हो चुका है. रीडिंग अ फाइल्स इंटायर कंटेंट आप रीड करके प्रिंट एस कर देंगे, इंटायर हो जाएगा. देन क्वेश्चन इज लाइन बाय लाइन, दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन. ओके, one question is here, write a program to display the size of the file in bytes. Size of a file in bytes. Next you write number of lines in the file. Number of lines in the file. Okay. Number of lines. So size of a file in bytes कुछ भी नहीं है. ये हो चुका ना. Have you written this program? So in this only I'll make. The program is display the size of a file in bytes. So what I will write here, S is equals to read, and then what I will do here, I'll find out the length. L equals to len S, and then I will print here size in bytes. Simple. L, C, whatever you want to do. That's it. Okay. So when you will run, you find out the result. Just see 105. Total characters are 105. Count करके देख लेना. 1, 2, 3, 4 करके. Okay. Next is your find the total number of lines. उसके लिए भी कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. Instead of that, you use read lines, and then you find the length of S. Run. Run. Okay. 3 lines. So programming part, you know, it's not difficult if you know the the syntax, grammar, and also the logics. So develop your logic. Think कैसे प्रोग्राम बनाना है. अब मैं एक क्वेश्चन और दूं आपको. राइट, आपने ये थोड़ा मैं जल्दी तो नहीं कर दिया, if you want I will write it again. Read वाला पहला वाला था read और दूसरा वाला है read lines. All of you have written. Please show thumbs up at
Yes, sir.
least. All of you have written good. Kritika, I'm not going fast now. Okay.
No, sir. It's perfectly fine.
So next question you write a program and use the functions which I have taught you. So write a program. अच्छा in exam, board exam, write a function भी आ सकता है. So instead of that you just define a function. So write a function this time I am giving you to display only those words which starts with S. Which starts with S. Which starts with S. So within 4 or 5 minutes I will finish the class. So last question this is S is equals to rf dot read. Okay, so I'll make that program to count number of words which starts with S. So for that I will use here S is equals to rf dot read, and then I will use W is equals to S dot split, and then I will use here a loop for I in W. For I in W, and I'll check the condition. If
Sir, the screen isn't shared.
okay, so what I'm doing here, rf is equal to open is and for step dot and rf is equals to read, W is equals to S dot split for I in W if I of 0 equals to S. Then you have to print those words. So I have to write here print I. And if you want to also count total number of such words, then you write here C is equals to C plus 1. And then finally I'll come here last, that is print words starting with S. Okay. Now it depends capital S or small s, you decide it. So I'll write it here C. Run.
Sir, C define करना.
So just give C value as 0, C is equals to 0, and run this program. Okay, to send SR secondary school society 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there. Okay, please write this program. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take a screenshot also. Now if you have any doubt, please.
सर इसमें जैसे मान लें अपन कोई लाइन का फर्स्ट वर्ड ही एस से स्टार्ट हो रहा हो, तो लिस्ट में तो जब अपन उसको डालेंगे मतलब W में जो उसकी वैल्यू होगी वो तो /n से स्टार्ट हो रही होगी.
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, when we put all the words in W as a list, then suppose the first word of a line starts with S, but
Okay.
in the list it will start with /n or /n, I think.
No. What it will do, it will divide. It will first read the line, and after that it will split that line into number of words. Okay, and remember, once the line is divided into words, that means all those words are stored in the form of a list. So the first character I am taking of like index first list is stored at index 1. So I am taking the first character of that. So I of 0. Okay. So next class I will explain it more. Till then, goodbye. Okay. And you ask me more questions. Okay. I'll explain it more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other teachers are waiting here.
Thank you, sir.
So please, I'm finishing the class. Take care. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.